bro, track mode acquired. Now Operation Beat That Road Up. Cut up 10 times easier. Hold up. Damn, I can't grab my keys. Chat, when I tell y'all 20 deep, swimming, real swim team, hold on. I see you to the right too, brother. Come on, let's all swim. You got left, I got right. Fucking let's do it. Fucking let's do it. I'm pretty sure that's the nigga that own Mopar Mafia. Let me get in this right lane. That's one. Hey, 2. 3, nigga. Don't do it to yourself. I don't even need a bitch. My bitch told me she just had a convo with her ex. Like, you see how all them niggas are up there, bro? Hey, chat, I don't really got time to put my headband on, but I can't fake it, chat. We about 20 deep in these Mopars. Let's get to cutting up, man. Left, right, left, okay. Yep, chat, it's finna be a highway cut up. Hopefully this bitch is high quality, bro. I only got one hand to cut up, though, so please, you know what I'm saying, bear with me, chat. Yes, chat, please bear fucking with me. Hold up, drive modes. I gotta put the bitch in track. Alright, bro, track mode acquired. Now Operation Beat That Road Up. I don't know why this shit like it was 3 lanes for a second, boy. I had to put my seatbelt on, chat. But section, yeah, smooth little POV cut up. Hey, we're like 20 Mopar deep. Think we going downtown? Then we finna go slide, chat. I done got so much content tonight, chat. I don't know how many videos it's gonna be. So if this is an intro or something, like, comment, subscribe. Nigga, you already know the fuck going on. This is the same night that I just slid my shit, chat, if I don't post it the same day. Hey, chat, make sure y'all sub up, man. We almost at 9K subs, bro. Do it! Show them that 9K subs! Keep going. Hey, spin that bit for the tube. Spin that bit for the tube. Spin that bit for the tube. Chat, trying to roll these windows down and shit while cutting up, this shit not flying, bro. I feel like I'm finna miss an exit or something, who knows? Cause I'm just following niggas, but I'm trying to cut up. This Chrysler not on shit, come on, let's do it. I know for a fact, I see lights! Bitch, I'm not stopping! Oh, is that 12 right there? What are the odds? Me not stopping for that nigga. Hold on, let me wipe my camera, chat. Shit is not as clean as it can be. Now I'm following these niggas. I believe we're going downtown, but I don't know where the fuck we're going. So I'm probably just finna slow down some, actually. Y'all finna get in the right lane and let niggas pass me. Yeah, let me get in this right lane. That's one. Hey, 2. 3, nigga. Too many Mopars. The rest of them niggas in the back, bro. Go ahead, catch up, nigga. I'm trying to record them niggas and look back while not hitting this wall. I swear, watch, nigga gonna do a pop under this tunnel. They always do some crazy shit. Alright, I'm trying to let the niggas get ahead of me and shit. They not on it. I'm like, alright, fuck it, say less, nigga. And that's that same blue car I was behind the whole time, Chad. I was behind this thing for like 30 minutes earlier. For like 30 minutes. Hopefully the wind not frying. Let me cut this shit up. The fuck? Nigga, that shit do not look like a street. What the fuck? Nigga, this shit do not look like a street, nigga. I just made one of them niggas miss the exit. Ah, my fault, partner. My fault, partner. I'm following these niggas. I'm just following these niggas. Don't do it to yourself. I don't even need a bitch. My bitch told me she just had a convo with her ex. Like, you see how all them niggas are up there, bro? I don't know where we're going, so like me cutting up heavy is green, but it ain't green because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I'm gonna just stick with these niggas. There's still hella people behind us too. My keys just fell. But I wish I had my fucking headband on, bro. Headband cut up 10 times easier. Hold on. Damn, I can't grab my keys. Chat, when I tell y'all 20 deep, swimming, real swim team, hold on. I see you to the right too, brother. Come on, let's all swim. You got left, I got right. Fucking let's do it. Fucking let's do it. I'm pretty sure that's the nigga that own Mopar Mafia. Slow the bit down some, slow the bit down some. I see you right there, nigga. Okay, all these niggas slowing down. We letting everybody catch up and shit. Okay, I'm hearing you. That robber nigga must be the head honcho or something. We gonna see, cause all these niggas just blinking, flashing they blinkers. How the fuck is they doing that, bro? These niggas must be car gurus. Like, how the fuck is these niggas all doing that, bro? Damn, I'm getting a car, chat. 1 second.